Hi, and welcome to my channel, Yours Mentor. Even advanced English learners make grammar mistakes. Knowing these common errors will help you speak and write more accurately. 1. Confusing the less and fewer. Fewer is for countable things, less is for uncountable. Example, fewer people came to the party versus I have less water. 2. Misusing who and a whom. Who is the subject, whom is the object. Example, who is calling versus to whom should I give this. 3. Wrong verb forms after modal verbs. Modals like can, should, must are followed by the base verb. Example, she can swim and not she can swims. 4. Mixing up to say and a tell. Say is what someone says, tell is used with a person. Example, she said hello versus she told me a story. 5. Overusing very. Advanced learners often say a very good or very nice. Try stronger adjectives, excellent, fantastic, amazing. 6. Incorrect prepositions. Common errors include married with instead of married to. Example, she is married to John. 7. Subject-verb agreement mistakes. Even advanced learners forget plural subjects. Example, the team is winning versus the players are winning. 8. Using double negatives. Example, I don't need no help is incorrect. Correct, I don't need any help. 9. Misplacing adjectives and adverbs. Example, she speaks fluent English and not she speaks fluently English. 10. Confusing since and for. Since equals starting point, for equals duration. Example, I've lived here since 2010 versus I've lived here for 10 years. Conclusion. Being aware of these common mistakes can help even advanced learners improve accuracy and sound more natural in English. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.